Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fabian Rabani Hakim. I'm from Mercu Buana University and I want to explain about potential of using social media in education strategy facing the Industry Revolution 4.0. Industrial Revolution era 4.0 was marked by rapid technological development. Its development affects almost all sectors of human life. It is also age of advanced technology based on information and communication. It has a more powerful impact on the economy than in the past. This triggers change, one of which is a variety of physical changeable activities that can how be done with the help of application or other equipment through the internet network. Also explained in her research, mentioning all equipment, machinery, sensors, and people in the Industrial Revolution era 4.0 were designed to be able to communicate with each other using internet technology known as the Internet of Things. This phenomenon found in many communities, especially among young or educated people, and an association of youth who are busy with their respective gadgets, a family consisting of fathers, mothers, and children, or are also busy with their respective worlds, and friendship and games and social media or cyberspace are more interesting that the real world has become a common thing. Apathy like this that we should be able to avoid and put aside in the Industrial Revolution era 4.0. It is intended to create a balance between the times and the development of the quality of human resource so that the level of welfare can be enjoyed by all people, not only benefit a particular party. Industrial Revolution 4.0 also as other terms are digital revolution and the era of technological disruption. It was called the digital revolution because of the proliferation of computers and the automation of record keeping and in all files. Industry 4.0 is said to be the era of technological disruption because automation and connectivity in a field will make the movement of the industrial world and job competition become non-linear. One of the unique characteristics of Industry 4.0 is the application of artificial intelligence or artificial intelligence. In other field, Industrial Revolution 4.0 has changed the landscape of educational innovation. The Industrial Revolution 4.0 is controlled by artificial intelligence and digital physical frameworks that make human machine more universal interface. The rapid revolution in innovation has produced another educational model for the future, which is Education 4.0. It's aimed to prepare graduates for future life and work in the Industrial Revolution era 4.0, where more smart robots will replace people in certain activity division. Education must utilize information and related abilities that cannot be replaced by robots. The disruption of innovation results in Education 4.0, which focus on the development of education and skill to make future learning more customizable, hyper-intelligent, portable, global, and virtual. Therefore, in order to prepare the student in the future working place to be successful, they should have appreciate digital and virtual education at school, university, or at work. Libraries must transform to follow technological. Students can search for data with literacy on the internet development in order to continue to answer to needs of the community. Not only a gathering place to read before information, but the library must be able to become a working space for the emergence of a new innovation. Based on this, it can be seen that the of literacy in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 era in addition to physical literacy using book can also use digital literacy to match the times. That these online social tools have many education benefits. Indeed, it has been shown the social media enhance communication and interaction among students and between teachers and students. Thanks to this platform, instruction and students are now able to communicate with each other within or between classes. It has also been found that the social media are an effective way to promote student engagement as it enables shy, intimidate, or bored students to share ideas and to express their opinion in a more comfortable way. An additional educational advantage of social media application is that they foster collaboration given that they offer teachers and students a single destination where they can bring their ideas together, examine them with their colleagues, and publish in a way that be edited.